Later on, I need you to send me the videos.
Where's the other one?
Damn.
There's your 300.
Hurry!
It is a fountain, I believe.
Now
Yeah, it
look! It is, and it gets big. There's Kevin.
Mark Oakland's pissed. Get him out. Get him. Get him. Get him, Oak. Get him. Get him, Oak. Sick him. Get him, boy. Get him, boy. Get it, Oak. Get it. Get him, Oak. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. Get it. Get it.
I'm not.
Hey, put that down. Hey, put it down.
He's attacking this shit.
Oakley.
Pepe, look.
Pepe, another minion. Come here. Come here. Come here, Oakley. Come here, Oakley. That was different.
All right.
Whoa.
Watch, kids.
Back up.
Watch our money blow up.
I know, right?
I just put them on the...
Damn.
Those are fucking illegal.
Yeah, they are. Hold that.
They better not do that shit all fucking night long.
My kids have to sleep.
That's the one that they were doing the other night. It was shaking the whole fucking house.
Yeah, that's crazy. Why would they
These
even
things go on.
They probably got them offline. Where's my goddamn watch?
Well, I mean, we ain't got to do them all
I'm
tonight.
sorry.
We're coming over tomorrow, too, ain't we?
Can't see.
Are we coming over tomorrow, too?
Mom brings us over. We will. Can't see.
Well, sorry. Okay.
Let's pick it. Say thank you. Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandma.
It is pretty warm, ain't it? It has been, though.
This
It's
one
actually
lasts
nice.
for a minute.
Welcome. Give it to Mom.
It says it lasts for 180 seconds.
80 seconds?
180.
Oh, wow.
180.
That's our biggest one we have.
Yeah, hopefully does not like those things. Okay.
Still going, dummy.
I'm sorry. Move out of their way.
That one, that's my favorite. Those ones with the blue.
Hopefully you don't like it.
No.
Mad, he hates fireworks.
Your ass is so big.
6-6, get them all. It's not done. Ain't done. Ain't done, dummy.
You're gonna get burnt.
The other night he did. The other day I was shooting some on. And he don't like bottle rockets because they go.
Yeah.
And he fucking chased him. And the other day I lit one off and it fucking hit the ground right in front of me like it did earlier. And he fucking bit it and it burned his gun.
Look at a smile.
I'm wanting her to watch.
Tell him about it, boy.
I know. That one went for a while.
I'm moving. See? Just get mad. You went down?
We got a lot. Yeah.
Come here, I'll get you.
Yeah, we still have a lot. Well, here.
There you go. I'll be wiping the sweat with it.
Here.
Hey! This one.
Yeah, I have two that broke.
Yeah. Now get these out of Mom's car. Hey! Little boy, where'd you go give that to your mommy?
Oh, this one's gonna be cool. Here, like this one. You have the light on. I like this one.
This thing's still fucking going.
Yeah, it's still going. That was pretty good though.
I'm surprised it don't get so hot it melts.
The artillery?
Yeah. Look in there. Just it.
Where? See? Ain't that pretty?
What's
Look.
up? Way up.
What? Up there. It's gonna go up there, see?
Wow. Hunter. No, come here.
Oh, I didn't do very good, did it?
He said,
Wow. Hunter. Hunter.
Here, Mom, hold on to that.
No, I'm not.
Won't go off. They won't go off.
Aw.
Hey, boys, quit that shit.
He's scared.
Flowers.
It's got a plastic piece. Well, I can't-
fountain pen.
The fountain.
I don't know how this works.
What is it?
It's a snake thing that has multiple snakes in it.
He won't listen.
It'll work. It's daytime. It won't work at night. Can of worms? Oh, we're fine.
I don't know what it does.
Can of worms?
Why?
I found the scary one. What does it do? Hey, come and look at the worms, guys.
It's a big ass worm.
They're like snakes. They're like snakes.
That's a fountain that comes out of her backpack. Look, guys.
Look, look.
Okay.
Here,
Can of worms are burning over there.
here. These are dangerous.
What are they?
Wow.
Fucking side. You're giving me a headache.
Yeah, I just saw that.
Bailey?
Yeah.
Then we got,
If you open the door, you make
Another
sure that
big.
Bailey stays
we
inside.
got all these.
Yeah, so I'm not trying to have somebody shit in it.
And then we got the chicken and a ten. And then this one's a bird.
I'm glad they all go that way, though. It's okay.
Go put Oakley inside.
He's trying to eat the fireworks. Okay, come here, buddy. Come here, Oakley.
You don't like them? They're fountains. They're fountains, babe. Bye, Grandma. Go. Curdy. It's Curdy. Fucking lighter.
Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh
It's
yeah.
a fountain, baby. Yeah, all right.
Don't be scared, Josh. It's all right.
That's all it does.
Before we leave, we're out shining the headlights and throw that shit in the dumpster. Pick up the trash. Where'd they go?
We We are doing ours right now.
Where did Wesley and them go?
Take the dog inside.
Yeah,
Here.
'cause he burned his mouth.
Those are all found. And this is the third kid. Damn. Is that, oh no, that's just the car.
We're still burning.
These people back here are like super.
Look at the sky.
I just want to fucking hear one of those up close.
They don't usually
never
fall
like-
over. What was that you threw?
Oh, firecrackers? I bought 100 packs of them last year.
Oh, that was a whole fucking 50 cents.
Here, we got 3.
I'll hold it.